Hi.
Hi.
We were just looking on YouTube and we found some weird noises on the video, but we're gonna minimise it. So, and it sounds really weird. Yeah.
So it's better if you don't see it because then it sounds really weird.
But it's only if you. Well, we'll tell you at the end what it is.
Okay. Ready?
Let's begin.
Okay. There it goes. Oh my god.
Oh, look.
It's like, it's paralyzed on its tongue. Oh, what? Oh. That's getting hot now. It's getting really hot now.
There we go.
Okay. That wasn't what you expected, was it? No.
Now watch it with the video.
Okay, the link is go on to the thing.
www.youtube.com/user/use/205/CO no CGOAX375NA.
Or you can just type in YouTube, the Absters, and then it'll come up with past weeks. Okay, so funny.
Okay, no. You have to watch the actual thing now.
Because
So watch
you
the
and then
actual-
minimise it. It's so funny. We were in hysterics, you know.
Right, it's back here.
It's about in the middle halfway.
Okay. There it goes. Oh my god. Oh.
It's on it.
It's like, it's paralyzed on its tongue.
Give it a hand. Oh my god.
Oh, what? Oh,
Stay on it.
that's getting hot now. It's getting really hot now.
You know what I mean?
You agree?
So you agree?
Wow, this is weird stuff.
Yes, this boy called Abahabaha. What's his name again? Abe and
Look, watch
Ame.
Look.
What? We just found out this really cool thing.
Wait, look, you got to go.
What? Oh la 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 la. Ooh.
Okay, let's stop now.
Goodbye. Goodbye. Love you.
Mwah.